The 2025 Volvo XC60 continues to be one of Volvo's top-selling luxury SUVs, offering a blend of performance, comfort, and cutting-edge technology. Exterior: the 2025 XC60 will likely retain its sleek and sophisticated Scandinavian design. Updates could include refined front grille with a more modern and minimalist look, slimmer LED headlights featuring Volvo's signature Thor's hammer design, new color options and alloy wheel designs to offer more customization, enhanced aerodynamics for better efficiency and handling. Interior: Volvo is known for its high-quality, minimalist interiors, and the 2025 XC60 will likely continue this tradition. Premium materials such as leather, recycled fabrics, and sustainable wood trims. Spacious cabin with ample legroom and storage for passengers. Panoramic sunroof providing an airy and open feel. Advanced climate control and massaging seats for maximum comfort. Technology: the 2025 XC60 will be equipped with advanced tech features. Android-based infotainment system with Google integration, Maps, Assistant, etc. 12.3-inch digital instrument cluster and a large center touchscreen for easy navigation and controls. Over-the-air OTA updates, allowing software improvements without visiting the dealership. Advanced driver assistance features, including adaptive cruise control, lane keeping assist, and automated parking. Performance: the XC60 is expected to offer hybrid and plug-in hybrid powertrains. Mild hybrid B5 and B6 versions with a balance of power and fuel efficiency. Recharge plug-in hybrid T8 variant delivering a combination of electric and gas power, possibly offering over 40 miles of electric range. Smooth and comfortable ride quality with improvements to the suspension and steering for better handling. Safety: Volvo has always prioritized safety, and the 2025 XC60 will feature pilot assist semi-autonomous driving, making highway driving safer and less stressful. 360-degree camera and cross-traffic alert to aid parking and avoid collisions. Advanced collision avoidance systems that detect vehicles, pedestrians, and cyclists. Pricing: the 2025 Volvo XC60 is expected to start around $45,000 for base models, with higher trims like the plug-in hybrid costing upwards of $70,000 depending on options and features. Overall, the 2025 Volvo XC60 will build on its reputation for safety, luxury, and sustainability with modern upgrades. Thanks for watching my YouTube channel and subscribe for more car update.